Hi guys, welcome to part 2. In this video I'll finish up the screw, the hub, the handle and the gator. I prepared the blank off camera and over here I'm just drilling 35mm hole to fit onto the tenon of the screw. And then we can glue it in. While the glue dried I also just filled that ugly gap with some 5-minute epoxy and some mica powder, and now I'm just drilling a 25mm hole straight through the blank. Then it's just shaping it to the shape I want. And then just sanding it nice and smooth and clean. There we go. Hub is done. Time for the handle. Let's have a look. Off camera I just turned the handle. So let's quickly do the knobs for the handle. I made a quick jam chuck that I'm going to use to make this design. I finished the first one off camera. Here I'm already busy with the second one. Just shaping it to get it close to the shape of the first one as possible. After filling some of the cracks with some super glue and some dust, just a final bit of sanding, and then they are done. Next up, just need to make a tenon over here to fit into the end cap there. Okay, so with the handle done, next up is the gator. First up, getting the correct sizes. After drilling the hole that goes around the screw, it's just the final shaping of the gator so that it can look nice and pretty. There we go, that's it for the screw, all done. Next up we can focus on the nut.